Okay guys, so we're talking about CleanSpark, a little bit update to the video that I made on basically this weekend where they filed a filing to raise a little bit more funds. And I thought this $800 million they were seeking to raise was including this number that was previously filed. They were seeking 500 million back in January, and this document, the way they slide it into the weekend, March 28th, prospectus rule 424, this is a change. I don't know why they did not file completely separate S3 form where they would say, okay, we're raising additional 800 million, because that's what it is. I didn't read this through, but right here, well, today outstanding shares has changed. And you guys can see from January 2024, March 27th, we issued and sold 34 million shares under the agreement of gross proceeds of 500 million and net proceeds of 487 million, and deducting commission to Wainwright on the shares sold and offering expenses. So they already raised that part. And then right here, common outstanding share after this offering will reach to 260 million. Well, going into the weekend, I saw that it had 125 million outstanding shares. So now this is the number you see, outstanding shares, 225. So from March filings where they raised money, 500 million, I mean, it's already raised. They did raise it. And this one, 800 million that they are trying to raise now, I think they started dumping it already somewhere here. Okay. And looks like, I don't know why. When a company issues shelf offering, again, it's time to time, right? I don't know why outstanding shares do not change as their offerings, as their sales progress. So let's say they sold 5 million out of, 50, 60 million shares they're trying to sell. Let's example, right? As they sell, shouldn't the outstanding shares be changed the next night so we can see how many I don't know why it has to change when they do that filing, because I don't think they sold it in one day. I don't know legal part of it. If anybody here who is familiar with this, just update us. Why is that so? Okay, so I do believe that they sold some little bit here, but now they're seeking completely separate. Okay, I don't know why they slide it in as such form. Okay, that's sneaky about that part. So anyways, they're looking to raise 800 million, and I believe they sold some right here on Thursday. Stock is sitting at the support of 1870. Okay, so what I'm watching from here. So for this stock, I'm going to be watching now if it does slip below these levels to test this support of 14, basically 1480, $15 levels, which is 50-day moving average as well. If I switch to daily chart and bring up the moving averages, you can see that 50-day moving average currently, well, it's at the moment at $15, 1508. So it can definitely, at the moment, this is a 20-day moving average. That's where it's sitting as well. So it can definitely chop, but since they're looking to raise that fund, and I don't know if it's all this asset you cannot predict this asset, because directly trades off of Bitcoin price as well. As soon as Bitcoin price drops, it will be dropping as well. It will be following. Okay, but if Bitcoin price goes up, it's not completely, like, it's not 100% following. So you can't tell, but basically this is the support level I'm watching, 1870. Okay, if it slips, I'm going to be watching next support, which is this 1550. That's where it was bouncing for quite some time, for about months or so. So that's your next support. If it tries to go back up 5-day moving average. If you are somebody who tries to trade momentum, 5-day moving average is your friend, which is at the moment $22, which is below it, and I don't think it's getting above it anytime soon. And it is curling down. Last 4 days it's in a downtrend. It did try to fight. It was so suspicious after I talked about this name before this weekend where we made about this video, that it wasn't basically following through. And I told that it's not gonna be easy for many people to trade this name. So consolidated right here, tried to fight this 24, never was able to get above that 24 for 4 consecutive days. And so also one more thing before I want to mention is I have a Patreon and I have a Discord. You can ask questions over there, completely free. Check it out for free. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.